How to delete all liked videos on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnat and today I'll guide you on how you can delete all your liked videos on TikTok. Well, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. You can simply open up your TikTok application. Now, once you open up your TikTok application, you should get an interface like this. Tap on your profile option at the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll be headed into your profile. And here at the liked sections, you'll be able to see your liked videos, right? Now, in order to remove all your liked videos, what you'll have to do is you'll simply tap on the video that you have liked and open it up. Simply tap on the heart icon there and your like will be removed. Just if you have the like, simply tap on the like option there and it'll be removed. If you want to like back, you can simply like back. But if you remove it, now suppose you remove this, right? You remove the like, and if you come back here, you will see if you reload this that the video that you just unliked will be removed from your liked video. Now this is the only way you can delete your liked videos, so you'll have to do this one by one. Unfortunately, there is no any way to remove all your liked videos at once or delete all liked videos at once. The second thing what you can do in order to delete your liked videos is you can change it to public. Now in my case, you can private, sorry, you can see I have set my privacy settings here. My liked videos is private here, but it's asking me if you want, you can switch it to public. But if you just want to hide your liked videos, you can simply set your liked videos to private, and this way no one will be able to see your liked videos. Now you can see liked videos, you can head into your settings and privacy, and there you want to head into liked videos and you can see who can watch your liked videos. You can set it to only me. In this case, no one will be able to view your liked videos unless they have your account opened on their device. So this way you can delete all liked videos on TikTok. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.